Bihar, and I have done my B.TECH in the year of 2023 in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering from the college Katihar Engineering College Katihar, which is in Bihar only. But as you know that in Bihar we don't have that much of resources for IT company, and also I came here in JSpiders Punjagutta branch, and here I have learned a lot. Like Geeta ma'am helped me a lot for learning how to design a web page and how to cloning and all. Means I literally learned a lot from here, and after that, after completion of front end, I have learned a lot in back end also, like how to do Java programming and all. Not even Java programming, I have started my advanced Java course also, but before that only I got placed